Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this GLA today, and this is the same interior as A-Class, CLA and GLA. So there are three different cars that come up to with the same interior, same screen. So first of all, this is the NTG5 screen. We have installed 10-inch screen in this car. From factory, car has only the small screen, so we installed the Android screen with Snapdragon 662 with the backup camera. Here you can see, I will drive a little bit forward. So here is the camera that we have installed for GLA. So the car has from factory no sensor, so that's why it's not appearing here. So nothing is appearing here in the sensor area, but if you have sensors in the car, it will work as it is. Plus your iDrive is working with the system. You can see my phone is connected with the Apple CarPlay. The screen has a wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto. Here you can see you can still use the iDrive for your Apple CarPlay Android Auto. I have lots of navigation apps here. First of all, we have Waze. So I think it's not activated on my phone, so I will try the Google Maps. It's my work phone. Here is the Google Maps. Like we can search anything: home address, gas station, restaurants. Like near gas stations, we are at Sollentuna, Malmvägen, HND. So we have like all the Sollentuna stations here. If we go back on the again app menu of CarPlay, we have lots of things here. Phone, maps, like original maps as well, Spotify. Then I will go back to the original car head unit menu. Here we have first of all settings. We have HD video. You can watch video while driving as well, so it's an HD screen. You can see steering wheel buttons, all original buttons are still working. Coming on the home menu, we have apps. First of all, in the app menu we have lots of apps that we can download or adjust. First of all, we have settings for the Play Store, maps, equalizer, user feedback, assistant, Google, upgrade app, weather. Some of the applications works offline, but mostly applications needs internet to work. So there are two connectivity for the internet. One is SIM card. You can insert SIM card directly in this car. The other one is like you can share internet via hotspot from mobile phone. So here is the you can see the app menu. Then if I will go back on the home menu, we have the phone link. Phone link is again Apple CarPlay that I have shown you earlier. We have some dashboard feature. This is connected with the car's RPM meter, and here we have like a speedometer that is connected with GPS. On the first of all, we have navigation shortcut. So navigation, I'm going to install an offline navigation as well, but you can install the Google Maps for offline from here, so it will work for like complete one city. So right now I have no internet, so it is not downloading, but I can download it later. Here we have like musics. The musics works with the USB, so we have installed two USBs with this car. So you can see so all original functions working here. If I will go back again, so we have phone is closed. Then we have global weather. Global weather is the weather application that needs internet to work. Plus we have this car info. Car info is the original car menu. If you see on the home menu, we have all the car information is stored. If you have a car and it has the information to like connect ambient light, to adjust Bluetooth, radio, original service history, everything is accessible from the original menu. Just you need to like tap the screen, it will shift again from original menu to like Android menu. Here you can change different kind of themes. We have like different colors, like I can choose red. I can change to, you can change these icons as well from the settings. There are lots of customizations available here. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask in the description below. That's the video for today. See you next time with another video, another car. See you, bye bye.